Hi, maybe I'm Sarisa, maybe I'm not, but you can call me Rice because that's my nickname. And welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today is Architectural Review, where I sit here and talk architecturally about house tours that I review on YouTube. It could help you if you're looking for a house, if you're thinking about moving and seeing what you like or don't like, can give you an idea and narrow down your search. Or just out of curiosity, if you like listening to people talk about what they do as a day job, real life, etc., or studied for, because I study architecture and I work with public buildings. But this is a chance for me to do some housing mentally in my head. So I'll just jump into it. Today is talking about Brianna Coney. I'm sorry if that's not how her name is pronounced. Again, I just go on YouTube and go house tour, and I this time I try to do a shorter one, so it's not too long because I tend to talk a lot and I'm trying to get shorter videos because not everyone, even myself, likes too long of videos on YouTube. So I'm just gonna show and we're gonna stay at. I'm already have it stat. So I'll have the full video in the description.
Empty home look.
This is an empty house, no furniture. So if you're looking for furniture, etc., we'll still comment the interior, but etc. First view first. You can see door going on the outside, front of the front door. Cute. So this is like a walkway / maybe living area because it's wider than I would say a walkway. So it could still be like a living room / walkway, I would say. And you can see those washing machines on the side.
We're home. So
all the way down a little bit.
Actually,
okay, the living room.
That was a neighbor, and he was like letting me pet
his
dog.
We see the kitchen. That's counter space, stove, oven, microwave, the traditional dishwasher. Sink will be here. I feel like there's not much counter space for my liking. And what's interesting too, most of the tours we have been watching is the centered island kitchen with either the sink and the center island on the side, but the center side was like, oh, maybe this is really a style. But I'm seeing like their houses is more the everything on the side type of kitchen, the U-shaped kitchen, which isn't bad. It's good, even a double sink. I'm just saying compared to other before, in case this is your first video, the before videos older mostly had besides the minimalist house had the centered kitchen.
Our kitchen,
there's still some space, but I feel like if you cook a lot you'll need more counter, but they might not cook, they might not need. They have the fridge.
Our living room. This is our extra bedroom that we're gonna turn.
They have an extra bedroom with one window facing the street.
To an office. It looks really dark right now because all the lights are off.
The washing room.
What is it? Oh wait, look at the.
Yeah. Oof. I would change the light too, maybe, because these look like old time like maybe get those. I always say lead lights. It might be LED lights. I always pronounce it wrong. But get those lead lights because they have a white light, and those white lights will brighten the room. Okay, unless they like this ambiance, like she said. But I think that will brighten their kitchen way more.
The ambiance in here.
But they have
it is so cute.
A window door, so it's not bad. Okay, they have a second one, so that's not bad. But I don't like that yellow light. But it matches their backsplash and their tiled wall. I feel like, again, I don't like to have corridors so much. Long corridors. Let me explain. Long corridors are annoying to me because I find it's kind of a waste of space. But I'm seeing that maybe they have storage on the side, but still, I find like long corridors. I feel like it's a long corridor, but if it's storage in bedrooms, I understand something you can't help it.
It's pretty gloomy outside.
Because what's good is that the corridor on the inside is the living room at the same time, so you see it's double function.
This hallway light.
So yeah, they have a storage, they have a bathroom.
The girls' rooms, the girls' bath.
I'm guessing, she said the girls, so I'm guessing they're living more than just there too. So again, I don't watch the channel, so just doing the overall view. If you want to see the whole video, I'm just focusing on the house part. If you want to see the whole video, how they got the house, why, etc., you can go. It's in the description because I am more focused on reviewing the house than the content of the content creator. Even this is part of content. You know what I mean? I'm here for architectural reasons. I am here for interior design reasons. I am here to talk about the structure and the floor plan and all of that. And yeah, I'm not here to be like, okay, let's watch the whole video. Unless the whole video is the house tour. You got it? I think you got it. But that's all. Okay, end of disclaimer.
Guys, an empty look at my room. So this is gonna be my new.
It's good. I feel like not compare. I feel like there's not much window space. Like, because even the walkway is the doors, the windows. And like I said on other videos, the kitchen didn't have a window. And I feel a window, if you can, in the kitchen helps. But luckily, their kitchen is open on their living room. So they can just open the back door to let air come out. But it's good to have a window in your kitchen so you can air out when you're cooking. Same for the bathroom. Currently, none of my apartments that I have lived in so far, I'm going to have been saying that it have windows, but I just know as a house, I find that's a good thing to look for. But they said that this is their first house. So at the same time, maybe it's the beginning of something and then they're going to go move out, etc. We don't know. Or this is what they want. Maybe they don't care for that. Like everyone's different at the end of the day.
Start filming in here, setting up in here, and this is it, you guys. Take a look.
Oh, she has
it's
two
really,
windows.
Really cool, actually, because I have like these built-in closets.
That's not bad.
Right,
she has two windows.
I
just feel it. Thought it was the one.
Mirror,
the mirror is nice.
So fun. I can't wait for you guys to like see.
And she has a closet.
Videos and stuff that I'll be filming in here.
Just skip that piece. The barn door for the bathroom is very cute. I'll give it that. The sliding door. I don't mind a sliding door for the bathroom, especially at night. You just come back out. I used to have a sliding door, not like that, like those carton ones. It's not a carton. Accordion doors. That's, if you don't know what's accordion doors, look it up. But it's like it's exactly like the machine it used to do that. It used to be so annoying because sometimes I would get like stuck and I was afraid to mash it up, so I would just leave my bathroom open. But I feel a sliding door is not bad, and this wooden thing kind of matches. I feel like the color scheme of the kitchen, if you remember the brown and the gold-ish. Plus you're seeing the black like finishings of all the bathroom.
So here
the shower is nice.
It is so beautiful. I love the all
and
white.
Yeah.
You guys know I love all the white.
And there's a window. Good job for the window.
Yet, but I'm hoping to like thrift the mirror and put something right here.
Good job
this
for the
is
window.
A quick little overview of my bathroom.
And the bathroom is simple. Of course, everyone would want a little bigger bathroom and ideal, but at least it's not like her shower's in her toilet. It's not like her washing pan basin is in the toilet. It's like separate. I think it's good. I like to, in case you do not know, I'm trying to do various sizes of houses, from small house to big houses to that to etc. So if you watch this video, you'll have an overview of different styles of home. So you'll get to narrow down if it's something you want to see, if it's something you don't want to see, and for your personal view. And if you have suggestions of videos for me to watch, please don't hesitate to tell me, because I appreciate it and it'll help me to see other houses and homes. Okay.
Closet. And that's it. I'm so thrilled, you guys. I cannot wait for all of the happy memories that are gonna come in this house.
I'm skipping some of the talking because here for the house.
Girls' rooms, hallway closet.
See, I feel like the corridor is only for it's only for distribution. Beside one door for storage, there's nothing else. And if you saw my minimalist home, which I explained, they have like a shorter corridor and the whole corridor is storage. Like almost every wall of it is storage. Plus they have a little bench, and the bench doubles. I think I recommended them to do it as a storage, double it as storage. Like, see, that's how you like make it like espace utile. That's to say, like useful space. There you have one door storage, and you have this whole corridor where it's just like from point A to point B. Like my corridor in my apartment that I'm currently living in, I like it because it's literally my washing machine, my dryer, and my closet. Like another closet, because I have a small closet here and I have a closet there, but it's like, it's 100% useful. So when I pass in the corridor, it's useful space because I have storage and I have my washing machines there. So, and when I saw that, I was like 10 out of 10. Good job. Whoever designed, great. But that's my personal opinion. I hate to see wasted space. I hate it.
Flip it here. Okay, and my favorite part about our new little house is definitely gonna be,
I should say, I hate to see the disclaimer. I hate to see wasted space as in for distribution. If you have a big bedroom and it's like empty, because you can be saying that all of this is wasted space in the back of me, I'm not doing anything. But I mean wasted space as in distribution, because you can't, if you want to use it, if I want to put something behind me, I can. Whereas if it's a corridor, you can't. Just clarifying, in case that wasn't clear. Just clarifying.
the backyard.
So they have like a little shed thing. They have a yard. They have like a deck with benches, which is also good because it's double as furniture. They don't have to buy furniture, at least immediately. And it looks like they even have like a plug on it, if you see it.
Call this place home. So we have this beautiful little porch. We have a little shed.
That's good.
And
a big shed. I find that's a huge shed compared to the size of the house. That's huge. What would it? I guess they can put their summer things. It's like a whole storage. I find this shed is huge.
All around to give you guys a better overview.
See, look at the size of the house and look at the size of the shed. The shed is huge.
Of the back of the house. It is so beautiful. I could not be more excited. So this will be our new.
Listen, they can like take out the shed, put a little bedroom, maybe a microwave, a little something to wash your hands, and boom, Airbnb. Like, I'm just saying, you just need to find a bathroom somewhere if you want, and poof, Airbnb right there. I find the shed is huge. I'm just saying, like, it's an extra room. Could be a guest place.
So freaking pumped.
I don't know. That the shed is like, I just find it looks big. Maybe it's me from this perspective because there it looks smaller, but it was looking big. Your shed looking big.
So full of memories, and now we have.
And that's the end of the tour. The video is not done, but if you'd like to see the whole video, it's in the description. Thank you for watching until here. Subscribe if you want to. If you don't want to, it's okay. Like the video, dislike the video. Let me know what you want to see from Architectural Review. And until next time, bye.